Health Pioneers present Vegan Diet Beginner's Guide and Food List. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more relevant health topics. What is a vegan diet? Vegans are vegetarians that take things one step further, avoiding all animal products, including eggs, dairy and honey, in their diets. Many vegans make a commitment to eat more plant foods, especially fruits and vegetables, along with whole grains, beans, legumes, nuts and seeds. In addition to eating fewer animal products, most also work on limiting ultra-processed foods, such as refined carbs, sugar-sweetened beverages and convenience meals. There's several variations and definitions when talking about vegetarianism. Here are the most common. Vegan abstains from all animal products, including meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy and honey. Vegetarian follows a plant-based diet, which may include eggs and/or dairy. Pescatarian involves following a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, nuts, grains, beans, eggs, dairy and fish, but excludes meat and poultry. Raw vegan consists of raw foods, usually all vegan, that have not been heated over 46 C or 115 F. When you decide to go on a raw vegan diet, you're only allowed to eat limited foods, which can make it hard to stick with long term. Common foods: fruits and vegetables are generally considered staple ingredients in a typical vegan meal. A healthy vegan breakfast, for instance, might consist of oatmeal, fruit, nuts, coconut milk and seeds. For lunch, it might be rice and beans with a salad. Throughout the day, vegans might snack on nuts, raw veggies and hummus, and more fruit. And for dinner, foods like tofu, beans, grains or sweet potatoes are common. Depending on the exact type of plant-based diet someone follows, some of the ingredients on a vegan diet list may include fruits: apples, oranges, pears, pineapples, bananas, peaches, vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, squash, potatoes, zucchini, eggplant, nuts and nut butters, almonds, walnuts, macadamia nuts, pistachio seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, protein foods, tofu, tempeh, natto, nutritional yeast, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, peas, whole grains, oats, barley, buckwheat, quinoa, couscous, healthy fats, olives, avocados, unrefined vegetable oils, plant-based milks, almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, cashew milk, herbs and spices, black pepper, cumin, turmeric, ginger, garlic powder. Note that if you're a raw vegan, some of these foods are further limited. Foods that are allowed in limited quantities on a vegan diet include those that have not been heated over 115 F. Foods to avoid: vegans avoid meat, fish, eggs and dairy. They also might not consume honey or any products made with any sort of animal-derived ingredients like gelatin. Despite excluding meat, dairy, eggs and fish, not all vegan diets are identical, as you can avoid animal foods and still consume many unhealthy ingredients like white bread, refined oils and lots of sugar. However, a healthy vegan diet should be composed largely of unprocessed whole foods. Foods that are restricted on a vegan diet include meat, beef, pork, bison, lamb, poultry, chicken, turkey, duck, goose, seafood, tuna, salmon, anchovies, mackerel, dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, eggs, honey. Animal-based ingredients: lard, gelatin, casein, carmine. Health benefits: 1. You'll likely lose weight. Many people switch to a vegan diet plan for weight loss. This is because switching up your diet to include more plant-based foods and fewer processed foods can be an effective strategy to decrease caloric intake. In fact, cross-sectional studies of vegetarians and vegans have shown that vegans, in particular, tend to have a lower body weight. Not only are plant-based foods generally lower in calories to support vegan weight loss, but they are also typically loaded with fiber. Fiber is a nutrient that moves through the body slowly undigested, keeping you feeling full to help quickly ramp up weight loss. 2. Improved gut health. The good bacteria that make up someone's healthy microbiome may need fiber from plant foods, along with probiotics, to flourish. Consuming a plant-based diet can make it easier to get enough prebiotics and probiotics to maintain a healthy gut environment. Recent studies have revealed the roles that microbes in the gut play in numerous aspects of health, from burning calories to keeping us mentally sharp. 3. Higher intake of antioxidants and enzymes. A healthy vegan diet often contains a variety of fruits and vegetables, often in raw form. This can provide many protective antioxidants and enzymes that fight free radical damage to protect against disease. Studies show that antioxidants can reduce inflammation and aid in the prevention of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer and diabetes. Antioxidants may also alleviate symptoms of autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory bowel syndrome and lupus as well. 4. Protection against metabolic syndrome. When done the right way, a healthy vegan diet plan can help keep you protected from metabolic syndrome risk factors, including high blood pressure, diabetes and insulin resistance. However, it's important to note that not every vegan diet will have this benefit. The quality of carbs in someone's diet and overall nutrient intake are strong determining factors. Consuming more whole foods and minimally processed ingredients as part of a vegan diet can help lower inflammation, balance hormone levels and promote better blood sugar control. This could protect against metabolism syndrome, which may decrease the risk of conditions like heart disease, stroke and diabetes. 5. Less impact on the environment. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, agriculture, forestry and other land use accounts for 24% of global greenhouse gas emissions each year, mostly due to the cultivation of crops and livestock along with deforestation, a term that refers to clearing forests to have more land for livestock to live. Final thoughts. What is a vegan diet? A vegan diet is one that excludes all animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, dairy and honey. Benefits of a vegan diet can include weight management, heart health, reduced risk for metabolic syndrome, high antioxidant intake and improved gut health. On the other hand, vegan diets may be linked to an increased risk of nutritional deficiencies. Many plant-based foods also contain antinutrients, which can interfere with micronutrient absorption. Make sure to listen to your body and follow a balanced, well-rounded diet with mostly whole, unprocessed foods, no matter if you decide to follow a vegan diet or not. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video.